Hey everyone, welcome to Junior Coding channel. So here I upload only Vital Junior projects. So if you like me, please like, share and subscribe. So so next is variable score is equals to 0. First we have to give the scores value. So it should be 0. See, it's always 0, right? Hmm? 1 minute. Okay, if you need to, for now what you are giving here, I'll even show you. Mm, like I'll just put here. Okay, variable score is equals to 0 means it will only show 0. For example, I'll just put 100 means you just see it will show here as 100 only. See 100. You can see, right? So I just given as 100. It will be 0 itself. You can give any numbers such as 20 or something what you need. It will just display. Okay, then set the font size. We are just giving a text size at 20. Then we are creating a enemy group and bullet groups. Enemy means this group. Wait a second, this is the enemy groups. Okay, then bullet means when you are clicking, oh my god, see. So this is the artificial intelligence. See, I didn't do anything, like I'll just leave it. See, what? One, two. I'm really scared. Like, okay, so this is bullet group. We are just leaving as its own. We have to even make it as lazy. No, I mean we should not be a lazy. When we are being lazy, it will work it automatically. So this is artificial intelligence. And one more example in some restaurants or like some, for example, I'm just saying restaurants, the glass like that window will move automatically. It will close automatically, right? Like that it will, we will play sometimes and it will play sometimes. Okay, when we are boring and we didn't play means such, it will itself play. Okay, so next we are creating a player. So this is the player. Player is the important. Please see the code and understand. See. Oh, suppose I didn't click space button, means see that will itself blast it. Like that bullet will come. See, it's touching and the bullet is coming. Okay. Player dot set collider rectangle 005005. So what's this means? Shall we see an example? I know what is set collider. Set collider means we are colliding it. So let's see the example. Okay. Please find where it is. For example, I don't know what you will do. Is it in toolbox? It's in toolbox only. In which toolbox it is? See, I'll just show you. I'll also find with you. In this it will not be because it's just colliding, set colliding. So this is only a drawing tool, so it will not be. In this it will be a, let's see. No. Let's see, guys. Is it there? I think in this also no. Set collide, but this is group. That's I think it will be sprites thing only. See, is it there? Collide is there, and this is here. Very good. Okay, let's see the example for this. Okay, so what you're seeing the sprite or set collider. Yeah, it's in the category sprite. Set the collider for a sprite. I'll just give this link in the description. Okay, then example is saying sprite or set animation. Then let's see. I will just click here. So this is nothing but like we can see that is a debugging. Like how to say, I really don't know for you how to say means. Okay, 1 minute, I just write a statement and I'll show you like this how it is. I'll show you like this itself to our game also. Wait a second, we saw like this, it was like this, right? Even we are also gonna see here also. First you have to just write player. You have to always write it below. Okay, so player dot debug, it is debugging. Debug is equals to true. I think somewhere we have given false, that's why it is not going on. Then semicolon, then you see. Okay, so this is like that only. When this like this, like 1 minute, it is showing, right? If it is showing means and it is showing and the line it is there, I see there is a green color line, right? There is a green color line, right? So that is safety, it is saving that that player. See, when it is touching the enemies will, it will die, the bullet will come. See, be careful and see, now the enemies are coming. See, now when it is touching, see, now you can see, right? See, now it will touch and it will see. Okay, when it's just touching, like it will be coming. So like this, but we don't need, so we can also put just a false or we can also erase it. Okay, we will move